Well, today could be judgment day for Charles Sobhraj, who has been dubbed the bikini killer. Now, the Nepal Supreme Court is all set to pronounce verdict on Sobhraj's plea against his 20-year jail term. Sobhraj's lawyer, however, isn't optimistic. The lawyer has said that she has little hope that he would be set free and accused Nepal's judiciary of behaving like thugs. In fact, today's verdict comes after years of hearings and repeated delays.
कार्ड वगैरह दिया गया, वो जो गेस्ट रजिस्ट्रेशन कार्ड जेपीजी फॉर्मेट से निकाला गया, उस फोटोकॉपी के आधार में केस फाइल हुआ है. कोई भी प्रमाण नहीं है. देयर इज नॉट एनी एविडेंस अगेंस्ट चार्ल्स सोब्राज.
And Geetika Pokhriyal now joins us on the phone line for more details on this. Now, Geetika, the lawyer herself has said that she has very little hope in the case. All right, we seem to have lost the phone line with Geetika there, but let's tell you that the case has been going on for many years now. Nearly 3 decades after the crimes were committed, various backpackers were killed in this case. Meanwhile, let's tell you that Sobhraj has maintained his innocence throughout. Here are excerpts from his last interview to Times Now way back in 2007.
Okay, so how confident are you that the verdict will go in your favor?
No, I believe the Supreme Court will give justice.
And what are your plans if you're acquitted? What will you do?
Go back to France, of course, immediately.
Please, I request you
Are you in
jail.
touch? Are you in touch with your family?
No.
Are you in touch with your family?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. And what's your India connection now? Do you plan to ever come back to India? What was your stay in India
Well,
like?
after some time, yes, I will love, because I love India, no? My heart. Yeah. And still I have 3 of my sisters there.
How do you keep yourself busy in jail these days?
Oh, I was writing and all that, but at the moment, no, because I'm just waiting to get out.
Yeah. Are you nervous? Are you worried?
Well, in Nepal, you cannot believe anything until it happens. That's well known, I believe.
Do you trust the Nepali system of justice?
Well, let's say we'll discuss about that later on. Not now. Yeah.
Okay.
And Geetika Pokhriyal is on the phone line with us from Nepal for more details on the story. Now, Geetika, her lawyer herself has, of course, lost hope in this case, the case that pertains to nearly 3 decades.
That's right. In fact, while the defense, appears very confident, we have also spoken to the prosecution lawyers, and they say they themselves have a very strong case. So, in a sense, it is difficult to predict which side, the fate of Charles Sobhraj will swing today. But, of course, a lot of anticipation here at the Kathmandu court. And just to give you a brief, there are basically 3 possibilities that can happen today. The first, that the Supreme Court here upholds the verdict given by the lower court, which means Charles Sobhraj will have to face a sentence of 20 years, which was given by the lower court in 2004 and then upheld a year later by the appellate court. And the second scenario being that he gets to walk free. And the third, of course, is that the 2-member bench, which is sitting on the case today, has differing opinions, which means one might go in the favor of Sobhraj and the other against it. In that case, the possibility is that the case might be put to a full bench. So these are the basic 3 possibilities. So in a sense, it is fairly difficult to predict at this point in time whether Charles Sobhraj will walk free or not. But of course, we have been speaking to both the defense as well as the prosecution lawyers, and both appearing confident as far as their arguments are concerned.
Right, thanks Geetika for joining us with those details. Now, judgment day for Charles Sobhraj as Supreme Court is also to pronounce his verdict today.